So we do have a check engine light, but that's okay.
What are we doing today?
Honestly,
sponsored by Bang.
Oh, I wish. There's the Audi and its brokenness. I honestly am not sure what we're doing today.
This is very cold.
Actually, I know what we're doing. So today we're gonna be going over new Crackle Pop tune, and this is gonna be for basically any tuned S4. They're working on the stage 1 and stage 2 files, but I have stage 2 dual pulley, and this is the Crackle Pop file. It is absolutely fun. I'm gonna try and hook up the GoPro in the back, get some good footage of that, and let you guys listen to it. It is the best thing. I can't stop doing it while I'm driving around. So yeah, let's get right to it. So we are in downtown Santa Cruz. We're gonna head down Pacific Avenue, which is the main street. I'm gonna throw the camera on the roof or possibly the trunk. I'm gonna catch how many broken necks we can get with this Crackle Pop tune. So Alex is gonna play with the car a little bit. I'm gonna have him do a little flyby so we can get some crackles and pops as he's driving by. And we'll see how Alex likes it. What are you doing, my shift knob there?
This is the most unnecessarily big shift knob I've ever fucking used in my life.
Yeah, it's 74 Buick Special. It sounds so good. Oh my gosh. Alright, this tune is so cool.
What? 1
What do you think?
I think that first gear was definitely the best and sounded the best, and I feel like it's like the perfect amount of like burble. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's
not like overwhelming.
It's not like it's just like, what is that? You know? It's a clean burble.
It's like refined.
Yeah, that's a good word.
Like performance-y. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so I hope you guys all enjoyed those Crackle flybys. I really enjoyed. I think that they're absolutely perfect for this car. If you want to find out more about it, it's on 034's website.
Whoa!
Alright, so we're gonna go and clean out the 4Runner because I might be selling it. What do you think, Alex?
Wait.
Wait, do they know what we're buying or no?
Who's driving?
Nobody knows what we're buying.
Who's driving?
Who's driving the car?
No one.
Are we just gonna kick it?
We'll
This is
see.
weird. I gotta get over there. Well, who's riding up front?
Not
No one.
me.
Anybody want to ride?
Close the freaking
Hitting
window.
a touch of splash. Are you ready?
Close the window, dude.
Bro, you're hella stinky today. You need to
Stop. Get that shit out of my face, bro.
Watch is ready.
Tony, shut the fuck up.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Chill.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh, it's getting in my mouth.
What time is it?
I think it's around like 6:45.
It is 6:45. So some big things happening. I'm selling the 4Runner. In a few days, I'm picking something else up. What do you think? Well, I can't get it tonight. Here we go. Saying goodbye to the good old 4Runner. I have had this car for about, I think a year and 2 months. It has been a great car, and a lot of people questioning why I'm selling it because it has been super reliable and it's been pretty awesome. It's a lot of fun. It's great in the snow, but I kind of want to bring something new to the channel. Steven's over here destroying it before I sell it. I would like to bring a little more content to the channel, something a little more fun, something a little more daily drivable and less race car Audi kind of stuff. So I am looking for a car that's going to fit those parameters. It is going to be a manual, and I think that's all I'm going to give you today. Tomorrow I'm going to be installing the big brake kit.
There she goes. There she goes.
So the main differences between the dual pulley tune from 034 and adding that Crackle pop file on top of that, there isn't much loss in performance. It is actually not noticeable until you have the car in dynamic mode and you're kind of playing with the throttle around 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. Once you accelerate up to about 4,000 RPM and you immediately lift off the gas, it just crackles and burbles, and it's honestly, it is so much fun. It attracts a lot of attention, but in a good way. It's not kind of annoying like bangs and pops and like gnarly flames like a lot of other cars that are tuned that way. It's a lot more refined, and it sounds more performance oriented rather than showboating. So for anyone out there who is considering getting this tune update for your 034 dual pulley setup, I highly recommend it. So you can just drive your car however you were before, and if you want to have some fun, just play with it around 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. Now, for those of you who are not dual pulley setup and don't really want to go that far into modifying your Audi, it's okay. They are soon to be releasing the Crackle pop file for stage 1. I believe stage 1 E40 is going to be a new file in the future, as well as stage 2 and stage 2 E40. So they're working on releasing that Crackle pop file for everyone who's got a 034 Motorsports tune. So look forward to that, because it's a lot of fun, and as you progress in modifying your car more, like for me, my next step would be the fuel pump. The pops and bangs and crackles get significantly louder, more noticeable. So just keep that in mind as you're kind of upgrading your car. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am very upset that I did sell the 4Runner, but we're on to better things. There's going to be something cool coming to the channel. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.